How to insert PDF file in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can insert PDF file in Word. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Word in your laptop. Then open up the document where you want to insert the PDF file. For now, I will just continue with the blank document. So once you have opened up your document, you have to get to that page where you want to insert the PDF file. After that, head towards this menu bar at the top and from there click on Insert. Now, on the Insert tab, again head towards your upper right corner. There is this object icon. You have to click on it. Then you will see this pop-up box in your interface. Here, click on the second tab that says Create from File. Here, click on Browse button. Now you have to choose your PDF file that you want to add. I have a PDF in my desktop, so here is the PDF. Once you have selected your PDF, click on Insert. There you get an option as Link to File or Display as Icon. If you want to add your PDF as a link to file, you can select the first option. And if you want to display as icon, you have to select the second option as well. And in this way, or in this icon, your PDF file will be added. But for now, I will just untick them and click on OK. And there you go. Now your PDF file has been added. If you want to open it up, you have to hover over there and you have to click on it. And your PDF file will be opened right like this. So in this way, you can add a PDF file in the Word document. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.